Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking chapter 3 of recently launched Excel 2022 course. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can run your assignment by watching this video. Title of assignment is Exp22 chapter 3 reports. Here is project description. Then question 1 is that start Excel. You can download Excel file from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. I can do all courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, assessment, and many more courses. Contact me through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. Question number 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name. Basically, in this question, we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can see this. Now moving on question number 2. In question number 2, create a cluster column chart for the range A4 to L10, cut the chart and paste in cell A15. Basically, in this question, we will have to select first range A4 to L10, then moving on insert tab, then click on recommended chart, then click on odd chart, and then you can insert cluster column chart. Then cut the chart and paste to cell A15. Moving on Excel workbook, right click on this and cut the chart and paste into cell A15. Or you can cut here. Okay. This question is completely done. Now moving on next question. In next question, tab passengers counts at top US reports at the chart title. Basically, in this question, we will have to add a chart title. In the chart, you can copy this title and moving on Excel workbook, click on chart title, okay, and paste here, or you can tap here. Passenger counts as the top USA airports. Okay, now swap the data on the category axis in the legend. Moving on Excel workbook, click on plus sign, right click on this, click on format, click on chart design, and then you can select switch rows columns, and then you can select this, set 3.5 inches height and 11.4 inches width. You can copy 3.5 inches. Okay, moving on Excel workbook, click on format tab, click on heights, and okay, you can set this height and width here 3.5 inches and 11.4 inches width. Okay, this is done now. Now moving on next step, apply the style 7 chart style. Moving on Excel workbook, click on chart design, and then you can select style 7. Here style 8, here style 7. Okay, this is style 7. You can select this style. Okay, this is done now. Now moving on next question. I have done 3 questions of this assignment right now. Moving on question number 4. In question number 4, change the display units to millions for the value axis. First we select value axis and right click on value axis. Okay. Select value axis, right click on this, click on format axis, click on format axis, and then select millions. Okay. Added the axis tag to display millions of passengers. You can copy this text. Okay, then go to the Excel workbook, select axis title. Okay, you can copy or you can paste here millions of passengers. This is done now. Now moving on question number 5. I have done 4 questions of this assignment right now. Then moving on question number 5. In question number 5, display data labels above the columns for the 2019 data series only. Okay, right click on this, then click on data labels, click on outside end position, This is done now. Now moving on question number 6. In question number 6, apply the light gradient acid 1 gradient fill to the chart area. Basically, in this question, first we select chart area, then we will apply light gradient acid 1 fill color. Okay. Moving on Excel workbook, right click on chart area and then click on fill, gradient fill, acid 1 gradient fill. Here is light gradient acid 1. This is done now. Now moving on next question. In question number 7. At all text, the columns shall display the number of passengers including the period. Basically in this question, we will have to add all text in the chart. Okay, you can copy this alt text. The columns shall display the number of passengers. You can copy this and moving on Excel workbook and then right click on chart. You can cross this. Okay, right click on chart and then you can add alt text here. Okay, this is done now. Now moving on next question, question number 8. In question number 8, create a cluster column bar chart for the range A5 to A10 and L5 to L10 and move the chart to chart sheets named bar chart. Basically in this question we will have to create a cluster bar chart for selecting this range A5 to, you can select first range. Okay, A5 to A10, then second range L5 to L10. You can copy this range and then enter this second range, press Ctrl and enter second range, then click on Insert tab. Okay, first we click on Insert tab and then click on recommended chart and then we will have to create a cluster bar chart. Go to chart cluster bar, then click OK and then move the chart to new sheet bar chart, then press OK. Chart will be moved on new sheet. This is done now. Now moving on question number 9. In question number 9, change the chart color to monochromatic P5. Basically in this step we will have to change the color of chart. Moving on chart, click on chart color, change color, monochromatic P5 is here. You can select this. This is done now. Enter passenger as the top 6 US airport in 2019 as the chart title. You can copy this and click on chart title and you can paste your chart title. Okay, passenger at top US airport in 2019. Okay, apply the style 5 chart style. Moving on Excel workbook, click on chart design. You can select chart style 5. This is done now. Or add all text and enter has the most passenger. You can copy this all text and then moving on Excel workbook, click on chart or right click on chart and you can put all text in box. Okay, click on all text, view all text. You can tap all text in this box. This is done now. Moving on question number 10. I have done 9 questions of this assignment right now. Moving on question number 9. In question number 9, change font size to 10 for the category axis and value axis. You can select category axis and value axis and then you can change font size to 10. Moving on Excel workbook, first we select this category axis, click on font size. You can change this font size is 10, sorry, font size is 10 for category axis and value axis. Change the value axis maximum bound to 1.18. Okay, right click on value axis and click on format axis and then click on maximum access option 1.1 E8. Okay, this question is completely done right now. Now moving on question number 11. Okay, in question number 11, format the attentive data point with dark blue fill color at primary minor vertical grid line. Okay, you can select this and go to the fill color, dark blue fill color. Okay, this is done now. And enter. Okay, this is done now. Now add primary minor vertical grid line. Okay, moving on Excel workbook, click on charts, right click on plus sign and then add primary vertical grid line. Click on grid line, add primary vertical grid line is here. Okay, this is done now. Now moving on next question, question number 12. This is done right now. Now moving on question number 12. In question number 12, create a line chart using the range A4 to L10 and the passenger worksheets and move the chart to chart name sheet line chart. Moving on Excel workbook, click on passenger worksheet. First we will select this range, click on insert type. Okay, click on insert type, click on line chart. Here is line chart, click on line chart. Okay, then click on OK, press OK. Chart will be inserted. Then line chart, move the chart to new sheet line chart. Copy this name line chart, move chart. Then click on new sheet. Then you can change this name of sheet line chart. Then press OK. Chart will be moved to new sheet line chart. Add a chart title passenger as US airports and board the title. Okay, you can add this chart title passenger as airport. Okay, and then click on home tab and then click on bold to the chart title. Okay, click on home tab, click on bold on the chart title. Okay, question number 12 is done now. Now moving on question number 13. Okay. Okay, you can see I have done 85% of this assignment. For remaining question or you want to read for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. Let me know if you need help in any courses, any exam help, any assignment help. Please contact me through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all courses. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, likes my video. Best of luck.